It's a FabFitFun day. Do you want to see what I got in my Fall FabFitFun? Keep watching and we'll find out. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do subscription unboxings, mostly clothing, but occasionally I'll do some kind of lifestyle box, and that's what this is. This is FabFitFun. Now FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. They do clothes, they do beauty, they do home, so it's called a lifestyle box. And I had a subscription several years ago. My kids gave it to me for Mother's Day. I think that was 2020. And then this year I subscribed again. And this is my third box. So FabFitFun did not tell me this was coming, so I was actually surprised when it arrived. And when you open your box, that's what it looks like. It's a box in a box. So I'm going to take the paper out and the box out. So it says, fall in love with nice, sweet things. And with FabFitFun, you get 6 items. You get to customize them. They have a yearly subscription, which gives you a little bit of a discount, or you can just order it by the quarter. Yearly subscribers do get to customize first. And I think I didn't like jump on it and customize as soon as I could, and there was something I wanted that was not available. So it is definitely a benefit to have the yearly subscription. I also added some extra things, and this was in there, and I honestly can't remember if this was one of the extra things I ordered or if it was one of my customizations. So this is a basket, and we will go ahead and open it up. I love baskets. I have got just baskets all over the place. And let's see. Oh, this is a set of baskets. And it's all compressed. So let's try to push it open. There we go. So it's got this pretty, it looks like it's like painted on, this pretty design. It's pretty small, not very big, but it is pretty. And then there's a smaller one. So it's a set of the 2 baskets. There we go. So those are cute. All right, let's see what is in my box, what I chose. Some things I can remember and other things I can't. I do remember that there was one that was, I said give me the mystery because I didn't love any of the choices. So Ricola is sponsoring them, it looks like. Okay, so this is one thing that I do remember. This is, there's something sticking to it. This is the Sunday Citizen throw, and I'm not sure that I really needed another throw, but it looked delicious. And it says register and get 20% off your next cozy purchase. So FabFitFun used to have a magazine, and now it's all online. So I can't read to you about it. All right, I'm gonna cut this open. All right, so it's just this neutral beige color. It's nice and soft. It's pretty thin. And I'm looking forward to having that. I might put it on my bed or, excuse me. But it's really nice and soft, so I'm looking forward to that. I'll go ahead and stuff it in the basket there. Okay, up next, another thing I remembered choosing. This is the ceramic lined mug. And I had a mug recently. I broke it. I knocked it off accidentally. And this is such a pretty color. It has like a flip to drink. And it's pretty big. I don't I don't use a travel mug very often, but when I do, it's nice to have one that keeps your food, your drinks cold and hot. All right, I'm trying to, oh, there we go. I'm trying to figure out how to get the top off. Okay, there we go. So that's the inside, ceramic, so it doesn't taste, your drinks don't taste like metal, and pretty color. So I'm looking forward to being able to use that. Let's see, we've got some coupons in here from HelloFresh, and win a year of free FabFitFun boxes. Okay. All right. And we've got, let's see, we've got some kind of makeup. I think I chose this. This is Posh. It is by, who is it by? I can't even find. And it says it's a cheek and lip color. So I opened it with my trusty little box cutter and stabbed myself. So I had to go get a Band-Aid. It is, let's see, the Nude Sticks. I got my iPad so I can read this. The Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in Posh. So, there we go. That's the color. So I'll go ahead and try that later. And so I did get the, pull it up on the app. The Sunday Citizen Snug Throw in Buttercream is valued at $65. The Asobu Pick Me Up Ceramic Coated Tumbler in Merlot, you did have a choice of colors, is valued at $49.99. And okay, let's see what else we have. We have got, looks like some earrings. These are the Ellie Vale Lorette Medium Hoop Earring in gold, and these are valued at $61. And did one come off? Yeah, one came off. And these are just basic gold hoops, which, you know, you can always use a pair of hoops. So that was one of the things that I chose. You could also get them in silver. I think I mentioned that. And then, let's see, we've got the Woven Harmony Neck and Shoulder Wrap, and this is valued at $65. So this is something that you can, I believe you can put it in the microwave. This bag is, the bag is interesting. Let's hear about the item inside the bag. So, put it around your neck like that. You could also put it on your lower back. Do they have instructions here? Heat things up, microwave in 30-second intervals. Do not exceed 90 seconds. Cool off, chill in the freezer for 4 hours. So you can make it hot or cold. So sometimes it's just nice to have something warm around your neck, or just if you have like a neck ache or whatever. So like I said, you could also use it for your lower back. All right, and then the mystery choice must be this, the Bliss Multi-Peptide Youth Serum. It is clinically proven to visibly improve lines and wrinkles, firmness and elasticity, uneven tone, dryness, and texture. So they say that was worth $20. No, it came with a little dropper that just dropped. So that was my mystery item. That's good. That's something that I'll enjoy trying. And then I think the baskets were something that were a choice, and I couldn't decide between two things, so I added them on extra. And it says box add-ons, 2 items. Oh, okay. So the baskets, set of 2, were worth $24, and then there was supposed to be, and I do remember ordering this, a lipstick. Found it. Okay, this is a Fenty Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in Bubble Rum. And this was actually a lipstick that I liked and had bought from Sephora at different colors, I believe. Now I can't get this open. And they have stopped making it. So when I saw that I could get it from FabitFitFun for $18, I decided to go for it. And that's the color. So let's go ahead and put it on. What do you think? So that is my FabitFitFun box, and I will go ahead and leave a code below if you want to try FabitFitFun. If you get an annual subscription, it'll give you $20 off. And let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Nope, that's all. Those were my add-ons. That's my FabitFitFun box. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me the like. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.